Light shelf is a very economical, practical, and convenient warehouse shelf. The shelf is composed of 3 components: column, beam, laminate, full assembly structure, random combination, installation, disassembly. Convenient and flexible, widely used in electronics, light industry, e-commerce, and other industries. ZHONGTUO light steel shelf panel production line, the use of a multi-compound, multi-folding, multi-punching form, the formation of a very good load-bearing, a multi-layer closed shelf tray. Through a series of processing of unwinding, leveling, pre-punching, cold bending, front and back flanging, the whole production line adopts centralized automatic control, complete 40 bends online. The forming machine and flanging, bending linkage together. The produced pallet has a riveted structure, which greatly improves the robustness and load-bearing capacity of the product. The light shelf as a whole adopts the screw-free combined design. The installation and disassembly is convenient and quick. The price is relatively economic. The structure is relatively universal. Angle steel shelf should be stable and reliable. The surface is sprayed with plastic treatment, beautiful and clean.